Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a smooth infinite gallery slider using Wix Studio. Whether you are building a portfolio or product showcase or just want to add some modern animation to your website. So if you don't know what is infinite slider gallery, so it is basically type of image or content cursor that scrolls automatically in a loop like a conveyor belt of image, and it never stops. And this kind of gallery is really popular in modern web designing because it looks smooth, keeps the user engaged and without needing any clicks. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into your Wix Studio. If you are a very new user, you are probably in the Wix Editor. Now, Wix Editor, standard editor and Wix Studio are different. Wix Studio provides more features than Wix standard editor. So if you are in a Wix, then what you have to do is just simply come over this website, Studio Wix. So this is my website. Now I have already made a video on the different topic, but it will be more in detail. So just simply what I will do, I will just simply delete this. As you can see here, just simply click on the delete. Now I will add one more section. Now in the left side, you will get to see this media options. Now just simply select multiple images over here. I will do this, no, this. So I have selected these images. Click on the add to page. Now we have successfully added this image. You can add text as well. Now what I will do, I will just reposition them into this style. Just simply add them into your section which we have added earlier. Give them a little bit space so the photo can easily show up. Now you will have to measure it by yourself how much size you want to put. So no, I don't want to change mistakenly. I have selected that. Now simply click on it, then reposition it, and now as you can see here, we have reposition it and then put it over here. Now I don't want these images anymore, so what I will do, I will just delete simply. No, I need the images. What I will do, I will just position one image and put over here. So just simply select all of these images at once and click on the stack. So it will stack all of those images which we have added. So this image is not stacked. What I will do, I will just simply select it. Okay, I have to reselect all of those images. I think by mistakenly I have added this image. So select all the images and click on the, so again I have to select it again, then click on the stack. So as you can see here, all the images are in the stack. Let me create a section. So this is getting too bad. It's getting, so let me give a second. So just duplicate the image, or you can add more images into over here. Now I will make just simply this kind of thing. I will just reposition in a faster way so you can understand. You have to give a little bit time to reposition all the images which you are adding. So make sure you add all of the image. I will add only 3 images over here so you get understand. Now just simply select all of those 3 images or all of the image, click on the stack, and then go back into animation. In the stack, as you can see here in the left side, you will get to see this open inspect option. Right side, just click on it and click on the loop and add animation over here. Now I will say this is a crosshair effect. Now we have successfully added a slider effect. You have to add more images. Now let's add more things into it. Now whenever someone click on this, it should be, uh, for example, if someone click on this uh, page, so that triggered by school, just simply click on it and image, and let's see how it looks. And if someone hover on it, just simply change the color, and then if someone scroll, just simply add that image as well. Now let's see how it looks like, and click on the preview editor. As you can see here, we have successfully added the slider effect. I have done in a very bad way, but you can do in a more good way just following the step. You have to give your own mind. Now you can add that thing, the text. Let's add text over here. Let's add slider effect into text as well. Just simply, for example, what I will do, I will just simply duplicate this text and then duplicate this one as well. And let's reposition it, select all of them at once and click on the stack, and it will stack. Now go into loop effect to add that slider effect. So if you don't find this closer inspector in the Wix, it will be probably there. Just you have to open this. It hides in the right side. Just simply open it and click on the animation and effect and go into loop. So from there you can add all the uh, like uh, animation over here. What I will do, I will just simply give this crosser effect. From here you can adjust as well, like duration. If you go to duration, click on the preview, how it will go look like this. If you go faster, just simply click on the faster, click on the duration and see the preview. As you can see, okay, I am in the wrong animation. So click on it, click on the loop, click on the adjust animation, decrease it, click on the preview. So it will goes in a faster way if you increase or decrease the duration. So I will put in 16.3. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can create a slider effect on your website. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and give me feedback into comment section. Thanks for watching, and